Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter the SIM card and the memory card into your Samsung A15. To do this operation, get the open tools here and on the left side place it into the small hole here. Yep, we have the SIM card placeholder. Remove it. And here you have two places for the SIM card, 1 and 2. Whoops. We're gonna place it here, and here you have a place for the memory card here. That's it. And now place it into your phone in that hole gently. That's it. You have placed the two SIM card. Let's wait for the network. One is here and second is here. Memory card is also two. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!